Video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the ransomware called Wagner. Wagner is the ransomware from the XORist ransomware family. In my video, I will show you the negative impact of the ransomware on the files and will give you some recommendations on how to possibly protect your files and how to possibly recover your files from being damaged. Anyway, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your data without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. Because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Wagner ransomware from the XORist family may be easily injected into the device. Whenever you try to open this specific file, you get this message that Windows can't open this type of file with this Wagner2.0 additionally appended extension. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note. I assume that the text of this ransom note is in Russian language. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but I strongly urge you not to pay the ransom because this does not guarantee the file recovery. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Once again, combocleaner.com. So download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through this official website, combocleaner.com. Use a special green download Combo Cleaner button for that purpose. Download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. The software is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the program would first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of any malware or ransomware. Then the scanning will begin, and the scanning duration, of course, may take some time. It depends on how infected the system is, it may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned, and it may depend on other factors too. Now, Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature that allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, but you can always request for the free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on your Windows computer. Of course, certain threats can always be removed manually, but my strong recommendation is that you consider upgrading to the premium license, which will help you to always get your data protected from further ransomware attacks.